Welcome to Thena's channel. This is Black Fox Ranch, a stunning residence designed by CLB Architects, located in Jackson, United States. Spanning 6,300 square feet, this modern ranch-style home seamlessly blends contemporary architecture with the rugged beauty of the Wyoming landscape. Positioned next to cottonwood and aspen trees on a former Snake River riverbed, the residence honors its historical roots as a working cattle ranch. The home features expansive glass walls, allowing natural light to flood the interiors while offering breathtaking views of the surrounding 35-acre ranch. Its materials, wood, steel, and stone, create a warm yet sophisticated aesthetic, connecting the structure to nature. With a barn, stables, and pastures, the design ensures a deep connection between the residents and their horses. These interiors embrace a seamless indoor-outdoor connection through floor-to-ceiling glass panels, offering unobstructed views of the landscape. Rich wood ceilings and floors contrast with textured stone and dark-toned cabinetry. The built-in fireplaces add warmth, while carefully curated furniture enhances the modern yet cozy aesthetic, blending natural materials with contemporary elegance. A floating fireplace clad in textured stone anchors the space, complemented by dark wood shelving. Floor-to-ceiling glass invites natural light, enhancing the modern, seamless indoor-outdoor aesthetic. A recessed dining nook features floating leather-upholstered benches, a central table, and a framed window. Dark wood paneling and integrated lighting enhance the cozy, modern aesthetic. The kitchen and dining area blend seamlessly with dark wood cabinetry, a sleek island, and a live-edge dining table. Black accents and natural light enhance the modern aesthetic. The bedroom showcases a seamless integration of nature and modern architecture. Floor-to-ceiling glass panels maximize natural light and frame stunning outdoor views, while warm wooden ceilings and stone finishes add texture. The design balances comfort, elegance, and functional sophistication. This bathroom blends natural materials with modern design. Floating wooden vanities, dark stone countertops, and large mirrors enhance space, while pendant lights and soft tones create elegance. This home gym features floor-to-ceiling windows, maximizing natural light and outdoor views. Dark wood cabinetry contrasts with light flooring, creating a balanced, modern workout space.